Hey, let me show you how you can fix issue when you cannot pair your JBL Go 4 with the JBL portable application. So as you can see, in my case, everything works fine, but take a look how you can fix this. So first of all, you have to be sure that your speaker is turned on. And now we have to use two buttons combination. We have to click and hold play button and the volume up button at the same time for around 2 or 3 seconds until this indicator turns off and speaker also turns off. Now, when you hear that sound, you can release both buttons. And as you can see, I'm not connected anymore with the application. I'm gonna also unpair it from the settings, so I'm gonna show you step by step. Now, we have to click once on the power button to turn on the speaker and enter for the pairing. As you can see, after this buttons combination, we are in the pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't work, just click once on the Bluetooth button. So you will also activate pairing mode. Next, you will have to open Bluetooth settings, open connected devices and go for the pairing list. Select your JBL Go 4, wait for the pairing request, accept pairing request, and now we have to go into this JBL application. As you can see here, we can find some information that we are unable to connect, so we have to go back. But now when you go right here in the speaker, we can find our speaker one more time. So we can tap to connect. Just wait for a few moments, and now as you can see, everything is fine. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.